The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 is officially here, and they significantly improved the design of the Galaxy Z Flip 5 when compared to its previous model. One notable upgrade is the new hinge, which allows for a seamless and gapless closure for the first time. Additionally, the phone boasts a larger curved display and various other improvements. Now, on the other hand, Motorola has also entered the foldable phone market with its top-of-the-line Razr Plus, bringing some fierce competition to the table. Now let's delve into the distinctions between the two flip phones to determine which one might be the better choice for you.
Having trouble creating your online course video? At 10 Studio, we specialize in creating video courses for instructors like you. With our 7 years of experience and 80+ completed projects, we're confident that we can make your course engaging and easy to understand. To get more students and increase your earnings through attractive online course videos, contact 10 Studio today.
Starting with the design, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 features flat sides while the Razr Plus opts for curved sides, both having their own advantages and disadvantages. However, the Razr Plus gains a slight edge in ease of opening due to its inward curved flaps. Both phones share the advantage of a seamless closure, ensuring that no gap is present to allow dust to enter easily. When closed, both devices are equally slim and lightweight, each weighing in at 6.7 ounces. Both the Flip 5 and the Razr Plus feature aluminum frames and glass backs, providing a premium and stylish look. However, the Razr Plus stands out with an additional attractive and fashionable option, offering a vegan leather finish that's not available on the Flip 5. Now, in terms of dust and water resistance, the Flip 5 has an IPX8 rating, which means it's not certified against protection from small particles like dust. On the other hand, the Razr Plus holds an IP52 rating, offering limited dust protection. This distinction is significant because dust is a major concern for folding phones, making it reassuring to see Motorola taking steps to address this issue. While the Razr Plus has a water protection rating of 2, making it capable of resisting spills, splashes, and light rain, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 surpasses it with a much higher rating of 8. This means that the Galaxy phone offers significantly more substantial water protection, allowing it to withstand submersion in up to 1.5 meters of water for 30 minutes. In comparison, the Razr Plus's water resistance is more limited and may not hold up as well in more challenging or prolonged water exposure scenarios. Let's talk about the display. Samsung introduces a notable upgrade for the Flip 5, featuring a nearly edge-to-edge 3.4-inch outer screen, which is a first for the flip phone lineup. However, it's worth noting that Motorola is actually the pioneer in this aspect. The Razr Plus takes it a step further by offering an even larger 3.6-inch edge-to-edge outer screen with a buttery smooth 165Hz refresh rate. This generous screen real estate provides you with a wide range of functionalities, allowing you to seamlessly use all apps, browse the web, watch videos, engage in chats, make payments, play games, and practically anything you can imagine. In comparison, the use of the cover screen on the Galaxy Z Flip 5 is slightly limited. It supports a few widgets made by Samsung, and it also runs some essential apps only. Motorola's implementation of the larger outer screen brings added convenience and versatility to the device, making it a compelling choice for those seeking enhanced usability in a flip phone. In terms of the main screen, the Razr Plus boasts a slightly larger display at 6.9 inches compared to the 6.7 inches on the Galaxy Z Flip 5. Both phones utilize a tall and somewhat unconventional 22:9 aspect ratio for their OLED screens. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 offers a 120Hz refresh rate, while the Razr Plus takes it up a notch with 165Hz refresh rate. So overall, in every aspect, we can say the Razr Plus's display is better than the Flip 5. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 stands out in terms of performance, surpassing not only the Razr Plus but also many other smartphones currently available in the market. The phone's exceptional performance is attributed to its custom Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor exclusively designed for Samsung devices. Unlike the standard 8 Gen 2 found in most flagship phones, the Galaxy variant features slightly higher CPU clock speeds and an extra GPU core. This optimized configuration allows the Galaxy Z Flip 5 to maximize the potential of its chipset, delivering impressive processing power and graphical performance for a smooth and responsive user experience. In contrast, the Motorola Razr Plus is equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. which is a year older than the custom Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 found in the Galaxy Z Flip 5. While the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 brought commendable enhancements to battery efficiency compared to the early 2022 Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, it's now starting to reveal its age, particularly when it comes to benchmarking performance. As newer and more powerful chipsets have been introduced since its release, the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 may not match the same level of performance seen in the latest Flip 5. The Razr Plus boasts an impressive 3800 mAh battery, making it one of the flip phones with the largest battery capacity available. In comparison, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 utilizes a slightly smaller 3700 mAh battery. However, it's essential to consider the impact of the Galaxy's newer and more power-efficient chip. The custom Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 on the Flip 5 may offer better energy optimization, potentially giving it an advantage in terms of battery performance despite the slight difference in battery capacity. This optimization could result in longer battery life for the Flip 5 compared to the Razr Plus. As for the price, there isn't any significant difference between them. Both foldables will cost you $999, removing one potential barrier from your buying decision. In conclusion, the introduction of the Motorola Razr Plus has certainly disrupted the previously quiet flip phone market, making it a highly regarded and excellent device. However, Samsung has made significant strides with the Galaxy Z Flip 5, effectively catching up in several areas. The larger outer screen, faster processor, and gapless design are all notable improvements in the Galaxy model, yet it's essential to acknowledge that some challenges still remain, such as the presence of the crease and less substantial camera enhancements compared to the expectations. That's all for today. Thanks for watching our video. Like and share with your friends if you find this video to be helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.